Do you know that we can use AutoCAD to draw this type of chair? By the end of my episode, I believe you will be able to draw this type of chair. It's not only this type of chair, but you can use it to draw different designs of your own. So let me take you through how you can draw this type of chair via AutoCAD. My version is AutoCAD. I'll be using AutoCAD 2024, and I believe for these 5 minutes that we are going to draw, we will be able to snap one or two so that you can be able to also equip yourself with the necessary skills before designing whatever you would like to design in future. So let's proceed. So first of all, you need to set the units. So units, enter. So on the units, ensure it is in millimeters. Okay, then we change this view to be southeast. Can use any maybe southeast, northeast. Can use any coordinate system to draw your work. Okay, so let's draw this type of chair. We'll just use simple measurements. Maybe this type of chair, we can decide to have this section as let's say even 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters, of which maybe it might be too small. So 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Then from this end region to this end region, we can use it as 45 centimeters. This also end region to that end region, we can use it as also 45 centimeters. Okay, so that's it. So when we are going to draw, believe we can change our units to we can also change our units. We can have our units in centimeters for easy drawing. Units, enter. Let's have it in centimeters, then okay, so let's draw this chair using those measurements: 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and the height is 60 centimeters. Okay, then we have this section from this end to that end as 45, and from this end to that as also 45. So let's proceed to AutoCAD. Then we can pick rectangle, then dimensions, enter. What are our dimensions? Our length is the x-axis, that is 2, enter. Our width is y-axis, which was 4, enter. So we have this one. We need to click so that it can stick. Then we press pull at a distance of 60. So press pull this at a distance of 60, enter. Then we can also copy this to be 2 at a distance of when we copy, we'll copy from this end region. We'll copy from this end region so that or we can just draw a line of 45 centimeters so that it cannot confuse us. Then that line, we ensure that author is on, so that our line can also only move in horizontal or vertical directions. And then we put 45, enter. So our end section, this end section, our end on this other side should be 145. So we are copying this one, enter. This end section here, we move it to this end section here, so that we can have a total length of we need to have the end point, that one, then enter, so that it can be 45. Then we also need to move 45 on the other direction. So pick a line, then from this end side we move 45, enter. So 45, enter. Then on the other side 45, enter. Then we enclose it to this section. enter. Okay, so we have something of this kind. So what are we remaining with? Okay, we also need to copy this. We need to copy a line on this end section. Just copy a line, or we can draw a line there of a distance 60, or over 60. Enter 2 times. You can enter. Then this other side 60, enter. Okay, so we need to draw that slanting stand, the stand of the chair. We realize that this stand is it is curved, it's a bit slanting, so we need to draw that. So let's draw. To draw that, we change this into the right direction, or to the right view. So click on southeast, then move to right, and then click on that. You have this. So we pick a line, then you can just move towards this side 6, enter, enter, then moving upwards a distance of 60, enter, then towards the other side 6, enter, enter. So we can also have, maybe from this center of ours, we can have a slight distance before that slanting begins. So maybe we can have a distance of maybe we move upwards 6, enter, and downwards, now it's 6 plus maybe another 6, and 6 plus 6, so it will be 12, and then we'll close with that region. Okay, so we can delete this line, then we pick polyline, then from polyline we can close that from that region to that end region, then to another end region here, and then to this end here, end point, enter. So we can delete those unnecessary lines, those who are just construction lines. It assisted us in 1 or 2, so we can delete them. Delete, so that we can have this polyline. So let's move back to southeast. We can have this line in this manner. Okay, so if you remember that the measurement for this base, we had used 2 by 4, so let's also have the same 2 by 4. But now, because we are going to sweep onto this line, it will depend. Let's just have as that distance as dimensions, enter, 2, enter, by 4, enter. Then we click for it to stick. Then we find something from the modeling known as sweep. So if you click that drop down, you will realize we have extrude, loft, revolve, and sweep. So click on sweep, then click on that object, or select the object that you want to sweep, click on that, then enter. Then you select now the sweep path, of which our sweep path is this. Select, then enter. So let's again shade to confirm if we want that drawing to be in that manner. So click on 2D wireframe, then realistic view, then let's try to zoom in. Do you want it like this? If not, then we can rotate. So we can go back first to where we drew this, then we rotate this 90 degrees. You can rotate this at 90 degrees, rotate that, and select this, then you rotate 90, and so that you can have in that manner. Then you repeat sweep, click on sweep, this object, enter, then click on that line. Let's confirm if that's what we want. Yeah, you realize that that's what we wanted earlier on. Now let's have our end region, our center point, to be there. So exit. So we move, let's move, sorry, can have this in southeast first before, then let's move this. So rotate that section, then move, pick move, and to move this object, enter this end region, this midpoint to that point, then we copy them to be 2, or we can move this one, enter this, okay, let's first copy them to be 2, then copy this, enter. We need that midpoint, or we have another midpoint on this other section, this one in this other side, our end region there, then enter. We'll have something of that manner. We'll have this, we'll have that. So what we are remaining is this framing section. We need that framing section, so let's have this, a copy of this outside. So let's copy this one, enter, move it outside, enter. So you can move this one a distance of 6 enter centimeters, then move 45, enter, then enclose to this region, then enter. So again we can copy this, you can go to copy this other line here and move here, or you can rotate this, so it depends upon which formula or which way suits you better. So 6, enter, then 45, enter, then enclose, enter. So we have these two, so we can join this, we also join that. So join, so join is in modify, join, then join this line, that line, and this line, then enter. Repeat join, right click, then repeat join this line, join this, join that, and join this one, enter. So that this one should be joined, and also that one should be joined. Now this one we will press pull at a distance of maybe we have a thickness of maybe 2 centimeters. Just press pull 2 centimeters. So what are we press pulling? This one, a distance of 2, enter. The same time, the same case, repeat, press pull also this at a distance of 2, enter. Now after doing that, we can move this to this region, we move that to that region, and we copy the two. This one should move towards this side, that side, this one should move this side, and at the end. So let's do that. Move, or we copy, we are copying this one, enter. This end region maybe should come towards that end region and that end region, enter. Repeat, copy this one, enter. The outer end region, this outer end region, we move it to this outer end region, that midpoint, enter. Then again we move this one to this side, so copy this, okay, this end region and this end region, enter. Then we move the remaining one can move this one, enter. This end region should go and meet that end region, then enter, so that we can have that those sketches. Then these are unnecessary, we can delete. We have that. So we now need to draw that portion whereby the person will be sitting on. So we go to